Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your OnePlus Nord is charged and updated, and you have genuine USB-C earphones or a certified adapter. Plug the earphones firmly into the phone's USB-C port. You should feel a click. Once connected, unlock the phone and observe the notification shade. Android detects wired audio devices. If the system prompts for permission, grant it so audio routing engages. This step establishes a solid hardware and software baseline before verifying sound output. Now verify audio routing. Open Settings, then Sound and Vibration, and check the output device selection. Ensure USB-C or wired headset is active. Play a music track or a video to test media audio while gradually raising volume. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off. For call audio, place a test call and confirm the microphone and earphone channels work. If media plays but calls fail, toggle the phone app's audio settings and restart the app so the system reassigns routing. To finalize, test everything end-to-end: music, video, and a call. If audio still fails, restart the Nord and reconnect the earphones. This often resolves driver-level issues. If problems persist, swap in another certified USB-C headset or adapter to determine if the phone or earphones are faulty. One key troubleshooting tip: check the USB-C port for lint or debris and gently clear it with compressed air or a soft tool. Blocked pins commonly cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.